Question number 1. Who was the first governor of Bengal? The first governor of Bengal. Correct option B. Robert Cliff. Question number 2. Who was the first president of Indian National Congress? First president. Correct option D. W.C. Banerjee. Question number 3. The first session of Indian National Congress was held in the first session. Correct option A. Bombay. Question number 4. Who founded the Indian National Congress? Who founded the National Congress? Correct option B. A.O. Hame. Question number 5. Who was the last Governor General of India? Last Governor General of India. Correct option A. C. Rajagopalacharya. Question number 6. Who was the last British Governor General of India? Last British General Governor of India. Correct option C. Lord Mountbatten. Question number 7. Who was the first Indian to pass the ICS exam? First Indian to pass ICS exam. Correct option B. Satyendranath Tagore. Question number 8. Who was the first Indian cosmonaut? First Indian cosmonaut. Correct option B. Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma. Question number 9. Who was the first acting Prime Minister of India? First acting Prime Minister of India. Correct option D. Gulzarilal Nanda. Question number 10. Who was the first Indian Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army? Chief Commander of Indian Army. Correct option A. K.M. Cariappa. Question number 11. Who was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize in Literature? Nobel Prize winner in Literature. Correct option is C. Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 12. Who was the first Chief Justice of Independent India? The first Chief Justice of Independent India. Correct option C. Harilal J. Kenya. Question number 13. Who was the first Indian to receive the Bharat Ratna? First Indian to receive Bharat Ratna. Correct option A. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Question number 14. Who was the first president of Constituency Assembly? First president of Constituency Assembly. Correct option A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 15. Who was the first Indian to swim across the English Channel? First Indian to swim across the English Channel. Correct option B. Mihir Sen. Question number 16. Which country water body is the English Channel between? Country's water body is the English Channel. Correct option B. France and England. France and England. Question number 17. Who was the first Muslim president of India? The first Muslim president of India. Correct option D. Dr. Zakir Hussain. Dr. Zakir Hussain. Question number 18. Who was the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha? The first Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Correct option C. G.V. Mavalankar. Question number 19. Who is known as the inventor of the printing press? The inventor of printing press. Correct option C. Johnson Gutenberg. Question number 20. Who made the printing press popular in India? Who made the printing press popular in India? Correct option D. James Augustus Hickey. Question number 21. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? First Prime Minister of India. Correct option is B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 22. Who was the first President of the Indian Republic? First President of the Indian Republic. Correct option A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 23. Who was the first Education Minister of Independent India? First Education Minister of Independent India. Correct option D. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Question number 24. Who was the first Home Minister of Independent India? Home Minister of Independent India. Correct option is C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 25. Who was the first Vice President of India? First Vice President of India. Correct option B. S. Radhakrishnan. Question number 26. Who was the first Chief of Defence Staff CDS of India? Correct option C. Gen Bipin Rawat. General Bipin Rawat. Question number 27. Who was the first recipient of the Paramveer Chakra? Correct option A. Major Somnath Sharma. Question number 28. Who was the first Indian scientist to win a Nobel Prize? Indian scientist. Correct option C. C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman. Question number 29. Who was the first Indian to win the Raman Magsaysay Award? Correct option B. Binoba Bhave. Question number 30. Who was the first minister to resign from the Union Cabinet of India? Correct option D. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. Question number 31. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? Correct option C. Sukumar Sen. Question number 32. Who was the first Indian to climb Mount Everest without oxygen cylinder? Correct option D. Sherpa Dorji. Sherpa Dorji. Question number 33. Who was the first foreigner to receive the Bharat Ratna? Foreigner to receive the Bharat Ratna? Correct option C. Khan Abdul Jafar Khan. Question number 34. Who was the first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize in Economics? Nobel Prize in Economics. Correct option B. Amartya Sen. Question number 35. Who was the first Indian to become a pilot? Correct option A. J.R.D. Tata. J.R.D. Tata. Question number 36. Who was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India? Correct option C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 37. Who was the first Prime Minister of India to resign from office? Correct option C. Morarji Desai. Question number 38. Who was the first President of India to die while in office? Correct option B. Dr. Zakir Hussain. Question number 39. Who was the first US President to visit India? Who was the first US President to visit India? Correct option A. Richard Nixon. Question number 40. Who was the first Indian author to receive Anderson Award? Correct option A. Ruskin Bond. Question number 41. Who was the first Indian to win the World Billiard Championship? Correct option C. Wilson Jones. Question number 42. The first bank in India was established in which state? Correct option B. West Bengal. Question number 43. Who was the first Indian to win a Golden Globe Award? Correct option B. A.R. Rahman. Question number 44. Who was the first Indian member of the British Parliament? Correct option A. Dadabhai Naroji. Dadabhai Naroji. Question number 45. India won the Cricket World Cup for the first time in which year? Correct option C. 1983. 1983. Question number 46. Who won the first Olympic medal for India? First Olympic medal. Correct option B. K.D. Jadhav. Question number 47. What is the name of India's first atomic nuclear reactor? First nuclear reactor. Correct option D. Apsara. Apsara. Question number 48. What is the name of India's first submarine? Correct option A. INS Kalbari. INS Kalbari. Question number 49. What was the name of the first rocket launched in India? First rocket launched in India. Correct option C. Nike Apache. Question number 50. Which was the first radio station established in India? Radio station established in India. Correct option B. Radio Calcutta. Question number 51. Who introduced the first SIM mobile services in India? Correct option C. Modi Telstra, 1995. Question number 54. Which is the first IIT established in India? Correct option C. IIT Kharagpur. Question number 56. Which is the first AIIMS established in India? First AIIMS established in India. Correct option C. AIIMS, New Delhi. Question number 57. Who is considered the first scientist of India? Correct option D. Jagdish Chandra Bose. Question number 58. Which was the first computer developed in India? Correct option is C. TIFRAC. Tata Institute of Fundamental Research Automatic Calculator. Question number 59. The first place where currency printing started in India was? Correct option is B. Nasik. Question number 60. The first Indian currency notes printed at Nasik were of which denomination? Correct option A. Rupees 1. Question number 61. The East India Company first came to India in which year? Correct option B. 1608. 1608. Question number 62. The first place where the East India Company landed in India was? The East India Company landed in India was? Correct option C. Surat, Gujarat. Question number 63. Question number 63. The first coal mine in India was opened at? Correct option C. Raniganj. Raniganj is the correct answer. Question number 64. Which is the first railway coach factory in India? Railway coach factory. Correct option is D. Integral Coach Factory, Chennai. Question number 65. Who is known as the first surgeon of India? First surgeon of India. Correct option is B. Suratha. Question number 66. Which film was India's first Oscar entry? Correct option C. Mother India. Mother India. Question number 67. Which is the first color film of India? First color film of India. Correct option A. Kisan Kanya. Kisan Kanya. Question number 68. Which state has the highest number of assembly seat? Which state has the highest number of assembly seat? Correct option is option C. Uttar Pradesh. Question number 69. Which country has the largest written constitution in the world? Largest written constitution? Correct option is option D. India. Question number 70. Who was the chairman of the first drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? Correct option C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 71. Who was the first Chief Minister of West Bengal? Chief Minister of West Bengal? P. Chandra Ghosh. P. Chandra Ghosh. Question number 72. Which company issues the first SIM card in India? First SIM card in India? Correct option C. Modi Telstra. Modi Telstra. Question number 73. Where was the first gold mining operation started in India? Gold mining operation started in India. Correct option A. Kolar Goldfield, KGF. Question number 74. Who was the first Indian to win the Booker Prize? First Indian to win the Booker Prize is correct option C, Arundhati Roy. Arundhati Roy. Question number 75. Who was the first actor to win the Filmfare Best Actor Award? Correct option C, Dilip Kumar. Question number 76. Who was the first actress to win the Filmfare Actress Award? Actress Award. Correct option B, Meena Kumari. Question number 77. Which film won the first Filmfare Award for Best Film? Correct option B, Do Biga Zameen. Question number 78. Where was petrol, crude oil, first discovered in India? Correct option is option A, Digboy, Assam. Digboy, Assam. Question number 79. Who is the first Indian to win an Olympic medal in badminton? Correct option D, Saina Nehwal. Saina Nehwal. Number 80. Where was the first Asian Games held? First Asian Games held? Correct option B, New Delhi. New Delhi. So hello guys, we have completed the first set of 80 questions. So I have one extra question for you. So you can read the question and answer in comment. Thank you all for watching my video. If you like my work, please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.